Hello there, I'm Ryan Mark. This is Showbiz Remark Up Close, a special edition. I am joined by Ricky. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, you look there and you say hi.
Hello, I am Ricky Gabriel JP Togo. I am 12 years old.
The next Miss Consolacion, 5 years from now, because you're from there.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm telling them about Miss Consolacion because I had a series of one-on-one interviews with the 2025 candidates for Miss Consolacion. But let's talk about you first. You won first runner-up in your international competition.
Yes.
When was that?
It was last July.
This year,
Yes.
July 2025. Bring us back to that competition. How was it competing there?
It was both challenging and fun because it was my first international pageant, and besides that I really love Thailand because it has very many beautiful tourist spots, and I get to meet new friends from other countries.
Okay, the title of the pageant,
Teen Star International Pageant.
Teen Star International Pageant. Was there a national competition also? Or from Cebu, you went directly to Thailand?
From I went on Manila.
There was a national competition. You competed there.
Yes, it was called Kids and Teens Pageant Global.
And then you won that
I won first runner up.
in Manila.
Yes.
And then you went to Thailand for the international competition.
Yes.
That was your first international competition. And Cebu Katok Superstar was also your first.
Yes.
That was your entry. Did you always want to be a beauty queen?
Yes, ever since I was about first old 3 to 4 because Catriona Gray really inspired me to be a beauty queen.
You were 4 years old. How young were you when Catriona won?
I think it was about 3 and 4 also.
You were 4 years old when Catriona won in 2018.
Yeah.
So how old are you now?
Um I'm 12 years old.
12 years old. You're still in
Grade 7.
grade 7.
Yes.
Where do you go to school?
Mandawi City Science High.
Okay. You mentioned during the press con that after that international competition, you will focus on your studies.
Yes.
No more pageants for now. School, academics.
Yes.
What do you want to be when you grow up? Or what will you take up when you...
Right now I don't really have anything up, but I'm actually exploring my choices.
What interests you?
Um, I am interested on exploring and visiting other countries because I am really curious about their culture.
Aside from Thailand, which country would you want to visit in the future and why?
I would really want to visit Japan because I've seen many videos about it and it's really beautiful.
Why do you want to be a beauty queen? What is in the crown that you really want to have it?
Um, what is on in the crown is not only the beauty, but it's about having the passion by heart and being kind to one another. Not only not only the youth, but every person.
Ricky, your talent was singing, no?
No, my talent is dancing,
So,
cultural
kinsa
dances.
dito akong gipakanta? Di ba? It was you! Because you said that your father has been teaching you for the talent, di ba? Preparing you for
Yeah,
that competition in
yeah.
Manila. What did you
No,
sing? Last year,
my
during the
it
press con.
changed
Last year?
my I
This year.
changed my talent got changed into a cultural dance.
But what did you sing then during the press con or press con? What? Your dad was there also. What did you sing?
Dancing Queen.
Have you learned it already perfectly?
Not really.
Can we do it again? You sang it even without preparation then last year. Sige, sige, sige. You don't sing anymore for during the talent dancing now.
Yeah.
What's your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject is English because it is the universal language. It allows me to talk with other people from other countries easily.
So you will likely take up what in college?
Um I would want to be. I think I would want to be a flight attendant since it goes to other countries and it's really interesting to learn learn languages and cultures.
So you're looking at airline management or tourism?
Yes.
Tourism, airline management. Okay. So tell them, um, what's your message to your younger sisters who will be competing national and international pageants?
My message for them is to not to worry because you have a lot of supporters as such as your coach, your glam team, your family and friends, and just to know that you also have God to guide you on along the way.
What was your, what do you consider as the hardest or most difficult part in your international competition? How did you manage to solve it?
Um, the hardest part in my international competition was talent competition because all of my co-candidates there were very talented, but I managed to place as best in talent first runner up.
Was there also a Q and A there?
No,
There was no Q&A.
yeah, there's
Okay. So for now there will be no pageants, but which pageants would you want to join in the future?
the reason why I joined the Cebu Ultimate Catwalk, the Kids and Teens Pageant Global, and the Teen Star. I really want to be a Miss Universe soon.
That would be like you're 11 now?
No,
10,
12.
12. 12. So 6 years from now, you'll be
Yes.
18.
Yes.
So you'll be joining Miss Universe Philippines. So that you will be among the beauty queens. One of those beauty queens is named Ryan Mark. Are you convinced? Okay, sige. Thank you so much, Ricky.
Thank
Ricky?
you. Yes.
It's masculine. Tell us, is there a story behind your name?
My father was the one who named me that because while he was working, I forgot what his work was, but it was the name of his client who really supported our family. So they decided to name me Ricky.
What's his job?
I forgot. I think it's a freelancer. I forgot.
So your mother's name is,
Journaline.
yeah, she's my Facebook friend. Active reactor. You have a sister, no?
Yes.
Yes.
Older sister.
There are only two of you?
There's also a younger brother.
Ah, three.
Hmm.
Three of you. So you're in the middle.
Yes.
But you're the only one who's into beauty pageant?
Yes.
Mm. Why? Why are they not into beauty pageants?
Right now, my little brother is quite young. He's still in nursery,
And the ate?
and my ate is really interested on becoming a doctor.
Ah, she's more focused on school. Because thank you so much, Ricky. What's your personal motto?
My personal motto is to not wear the crown by on the head, not only on the head, but also wear it by heart. Thank you.
I like your earrings. Just that's designed or just bought it somewhere.
Just bought
Okay. Thank you so much, Ricky Pipito, right?
Pitogo.
Pitogo. From Pitogo, Consolacion.
I'm from Pugan.
Nagbuot-buot ragod ko because Pitogo is very famous in Consolacion, no? Pitogo, Pipito. There's no Borinaga there. Of course, there's Lebres, Casly. My mentee, former Miss Consolacion. Okay, invite them. Where can they follow you? Your socials.
You can follow me on my Facebook account, my most active Facebook account, Ricky Gabriel. The Gabriel is spelled Gabrielle.
Gabriel from the, it's taken from the saint,
Yes.
angel,
Yes.
Saint Gabriel, which means God is my strength.
Yeah.
Why Gabriel? Ricky Gabriel.
It was picked by my mom because I'm quite religious and I really support other people and I believe that I could like the one thing I could do by supporting them is to pray to God.
Yes. What's your prayer for the victims of the Northern Cebu earthquake?
My relatives from on my father's side were actually victims. They were in San Romeo, and tomorrow my father and my mother will go there and bring relief goods. And one thing I could also do about them is to pray and pray.
Why are you religious? Why is your mother religious? She's prayerful. She's your influence in your faith. So, in a scale of 1 to 10, what's your rating as far as your faith is concerned?
I think it would be a 9.
Wow, 9. Anong kuwangan man jud usa? Hindi man perfect 10. Do you go to church? You hear mass regularly on Sundays?
Not regularly, but because I
Are you
actually,
Catholic?
yes,
Okay.
but I because I sometimes I prefer going to church with family that are full, but we've been quite really busy these days with both academics.
No, you should go to church on Sundays. Okay, do you pray the rosary?
Yes, and when I was in elementary, I was chosen to read the rosary.
Okay, very good. I like you already very much because in a scale of 1 to 10, 9 ang faith, and then you do the rosary. Very good. Thank you so much, Ricky Gabriel Pitogo from Hugan Consolacion. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Ryan Mark. That was Showbiz Remark Up Close.